Hi everyone, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room. A couple of days ago I did a video called Checking Your Option Values. In that video I showed you that you can check the option value prior to expiration by adding in multiple or additional risk graph lines to your risk graph page view. I stated that that was one way that you can do the option value check. I said that there was another way and that another video would be coming your way to show you how to do the same. And this is that video. What we're going to do is set the date back to January 25th, which was the date that we saved that Verizon trade. So go into your update stock date box, left click on the calendar, left click on January, left click on the 25th, and when you do that, the page will refresh and show you that the back test date has been updated to that back date, or in this case, January 25th. Now, what I'm going to do is go up to Trades, Saved Trades, and then left click on Saved Trades. I'm going to click on the folder drop-down window to find the folder that has that trade. In this case, it's already set for the sample for video folder. I'm going to left click on the box in Check a Trade for Trade Tools and then left click on the Risk Graph button. It's going to bring up a separate risk graph page for this specific saved trade idea. So here's all the information that you have, as you should normally have that. What I'm now going to do is go back up to Trades, Saved Trades, and then left click on the What If. When I click on the What If, it's going to show you the page and show in the existing trades and current trades that Verizon February 1st 5750 5950 call spread. What we're going to pay attention to is this data column down below, or this data table down below. But we want to set some parameters first. What you'll see is that you have the Verizon trade right here, and it could be any trade that you select. Just make sure it's the one that you want. And then in the controls panel in the upper right hand corner here, you can tighten up your upper and lower limits if you like. Let's make this 55. Let's hit tab over to the stop box and type in 60. We're just tightening up the range of prices for the stock that we're looking at. And let's change the increment. Instead of $2 increments on each line item, we want the stock price to be in 50-cent increments. So 0.50 is 50 cents. And then let's left click the blue update button. When we do that, the page will refresh. It'll load the tables. It's still on the trade that we wanted, but now look at the data table down below. On the far left column, we have it labeled stock price. You'll see that it shows each line item in 50-cent increments. And then the days left to expiration are the 7 days to the 0 or the day of expiration. Now what this is showing is not so much just the pure value of the option, it's showing your profit or loss of that option position. So let's just say the stock popped up to 59 on the 6th day until expiration, and your profitability on that option trade should be $83.82. You go a few days further, and let's say we have 3 days left and the stock is still sitting at 59. It shows an option value per contract of $90, or not a value, but a profitability of $90.23 per contract right there. So that's the other way that you can check out the option value. And in this case, we're looking at not so much just the overall value of the option position, we're looking at the profit and loss by doing a what if scenario once you've done the steps I've shown you. So check that out. Either of two ways. The first way we showed you with the multiple risk graph lines on the risk graph page, or the profitability on a what if scenario. You've got two choices. You can do them both or find the one that you're most comfortable with, and we wish you the best of success in your continued trading. That's it for now, folks. See you on future videos.